What's up, guys? This is a Journey 2011. I've been hearing a little like rattling sound from it. It was like on the joint of the windshield and the dashboard, but you can't really locate the noise. It was like taka 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 taka. So I went here to check if there was something there, but really nothing. I also checked there. You see that I popped up this little cover to see the blower and stuff, and I couldn't find anything, and I was like, it was driving me crazy, because when you were idling like your normal RPMs, you would hear like the taka 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 noise, and it was just annoying. So there are two things to check. You will have this thing over here and this thing over here. This is number one. If they are too loose, what will happen is when you close your hood and you try, now it's closed. Well, when you try to move it, it shouldn't make any sound. Well, before the adjustment, let me show you. Let's pop it up again. I will make just a half turn here and the same here. Now I'm closing. Do you hear that? You won't notice that if you don't come here and don't do this. Well, how to adjust this? You will have this line here, you'll have this line over here. Pop out the hood. You unscrew this, half turn both of them. You drop the hood and you check if this side is a little bit lifted, so you went too much on adjusting and you have to go a quarter of a turn back. So you check after that. You see, still have a little bit of noise. So I pop on the hood again and give it just one step more over here and one step more over here. Solid. You check the lines, it's not lifted. It's a little bit lifted over here. I may go back like for a quarter of the turn, but I will test it first, then I will make the final aesthetic adjustment. So this is step number one, And here we go to the important part. Sorry for the camera shaking because I'm doing it just with one hand. So you go right behind, you will see those HVAC pipes and this thing. Oh, I got focusing again. Now, well, I have these two hoses coming up here because, well, there is a slight modification to the vehicle. In my country, we drive with pressurized natural gas, so this goes for heating the expansion module, the pressure regulator. So you come back. I'm sorry. You go back over here, and you will see. Just do that. Just grab this thing and move it. I'm pretty sure you can hear that. Well, actually, this is the sound I was hearing. So, as the sound comes from here, and the dashboard is right behind this wall, well, there you get the confusing noise. Always check the brake lines, if everything is well in place. And here you will see that it was having some kind of friction, which confirms that it was rattling over here. And when you, I don't know if I can reach it with the camera, but yeah, you can see that this is pretty bad actually. I had like, it seems like it was frictioning for like a little while, and just I wish I could show this. Well, the thing is, these two pipes were frictioning each other, so I was about to have a catastrophic failure once these guys, what is that? This is hot water. This is hot water coming from the engine. Yeah. So what you have to do, it's pretty straightforward and simple. You have to isolate one thing from another. There is like some kind of, I don't know what the hell is that, how to call that, but it seems old and it just, cracks. So I ended up, well, I found this piece of hose. It's polyurethane, so it holds up really nice temperature. I guess it's like 120 degrees Celsius. Well, so I made like this kind of cut and put one piece over here and another piece over there, covering completely everywhere these tubes can touch each other. So a few zip ties, well, a lot of zip ties. As a friend of mine says, if you can't fix something with zip ties, it's because you don't have enough zip ties. So checking, everything is nice. Something's hanging over there. Oh, it's a piece of old zip tie. Let's remove it. So I will take it for a ride and we'll see if the problem is fixed. I hope so.